this video, I'm going to be showing you guys another way to get access to Seedance 2.0 completely free. Now, take a look at the screen here. These are some of the videos I have been able to generate with Seedance 2.0 completely free on this platform. Now, if this is your first time here on this channel, I review and test different AI tools. So if you love this type of videos, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another video just like this. Before I continue with the video, if you're looking for a way to increase your Instagram engagement and growth, then go ahead and check out this platform here. They are the best when it comes to Instagram services. I'm going to leave the link in the video description down below. All you need to do is to go ahead and log in using your Instagram username and password. So once you log into the platform, all you need to do is to come over here, click on IG followers here, and all you need to do is to go ahead and enter your Instagram username right here and click on find users. So I'm going to go ahead and paste my Instagram username right there. After that, I'm going to go ahead, click on find user, and over here I'm just going to go ahead and click on start. But before I click on start, let me show you guys the Instagram I want to use. This is my newly created Instagram just for the purpose of this test. I have 0 posts, 0 followers, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit on start. And once I hit on start right here, you can see right now they are sending the followers. I'm going to come back here on my Instagram and refresh. You can see we now have 11 followers, and these followers are going to continue coming in. Go ahead and check out this platform. The link is going to be in the video description. All right guys, so let me go ahead and show you guys how to get Seedance 2.0 for free. The platform I'm talking about in this video is called videoino.com. So I'm going to leave the link to sign up in the video description down below, or you can go straight to the website. If I hover my mouse here under the AI video here, you will see they have text to video, image to video. Now we can use this platform to access Seedance 2.0 completely free. So to sign up, once again, the link is in the video description, or go straight to the website. So once you come over here, just go ahead, click on login. It's going to take you right here. So over here you can see it says if you don't have an account, sign up here for free. So hit on sign up for free, and this is going to open up. So here you can see it says what should we call you. So you can just go ahead and enter your name here. I'm going to enter my name here as Kelly. Then I'm going to enter my email address here. Then I'm going to hit on send. Once I hit on send, they are going to send a verification code. So you can see here they have sent it. So all I'm going to do is to come back here on my email. This is the code they sent to me. So I'm just going to copy it, go back to the platform, paste the code right here, and hit on create. And boom guys, it's going to take you straight to your account. Over here you will see a pop-up asking you some few questions. So here it says answer a few questions. We will show you the best video tutorials and make your AI video journey even smoother. And if you finish answering this question, you get 200 credits bonus. But that is not only the credits they give you. There are more credits on this platform, and I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so over here they ask you to select your occupation. If you're a student, you select, but in our own case, for me personally, I'm going to select content creator / influencer and hit on next. Over here I'm going to select, over here it says main purpose of using AI tools, AI video tools. I'm going to say education and teaching, then click on next. Prefer video types to create. I'm just going to select cinematic stories here and hit next. Video production experience level, I'm going to say intermediate. Main video platforms or publishing channels, I'm going to select YouTube, then hit next. How did you hear about us? I'm going to say YouTube and hit next. And over here, what do you hope we achieve here? So you can decide to write something here. If you don't, just go ahead, click on get credits, and boom guys, you can see here survey submitted. Thanks for your survey. Thanks for your time. You've earned 200 credits automatically added to your account. Now I'm just going to go ahead and click on got it, or you can go ahead and join their Discord here and connect with other creators to learn more. But for me right now, I'm just going to click on got it, and boom, right here you can see we have 700 credits. Now the reason why we have 700 credit is because the platform itself gives you 500 credits on sign up, and when you complete that survey you get 200 credits again, which when you add it together is 700 credits. So make sure you go ahead and perform that survey and you get your 200 credits. And you can see the interface of the platform is actually looking very clean and easy to navigate. So to start using Seedance 2.0 for free, all you need to do is to come over here and click on try Seedance 2.0 now. It's going to load up and take us right here. So over here we can upload a reference image here, so we can use it to generate a video, or we can select text to video. And over here, this is where we can select the AI model we want to use. So there is Seedance 2.0 fast, Seedance 2.0 text to video. They have Clean 3.0 Pro text to video, 2.6 text to video. They have Google VO3, Helio 2.3, Happy Horse 1.0, Clean 2.6, Picverse 6. And you can see there are so many AI models for video generations here. You can start using completely free, but for the purpose of this video we are going to go with Seedance 2.0 text to video. So we are going to select on it and we are going to go ahead and paste in our prompts right here, and this is my prompts right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and hit on generate, and you can see the amount of credits we are going to be using. Now guys, don't worry, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited credit on the platform so you can continue generating unlimited AI videos completely free using Seedance 2.0 on this platform. So I'm going to go ahead and hit on generate. Let me check if everything is correct. Seedance 2.0, 6 seconds, 480p, 16:9, audio checked, watermark unchecked, and we are going to hit generate. So on hitting on generate, you can see generation started at the top here, and you can see here it's now 20%. So let's go ahead and wait for the final results. Okay guys, so the video has been generated successfully, as you can see right here. So all I'm going to do is to go ahead and download the video. So all I'm going to do is to come over here and hit on download, or I can just share it. I can decide to like the video or dislike the video if I don't like the video. So let me just go ahead and download the video so we can watch it together. So I hit on download, you can see right here, downloaded. So let's go ahead and watch.
Being with you feels like home.
Then stay with me.
Alright guys, so you can see that the video came out very clean, very high quality, and super realistic. At 480p, Seedance 2.0 still tried to come up with a beautiful video like this. This is amazing, and we have been able to generate it without watermark and completely free on the platform. Now guys, you can also generate images here, making use of different AI models here. So if I select image, this is going to open up. So over here, this is where you can go ahead and select any AI image generator you want to use. So they have GPT image 2, which is one of the advanced AI image generator right now. They have Nano Banana 2, Seedream 5.0 Lite, and you can see they have Midjourney, Nano Banana Pro. So all you need to do is to select on anyone and paste in your prompts right here. So let's go ahead and generate an image. Over here, this is where you can select the size of the image, and this is where you can select the quality. You can select either low quality, medium quality, or high quality. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in my prompts right here, and you can see here we are generating this image with just 6 credits. So all I'm going to do is to go ahead and hit and generate, and you can see right here it is now generating. So let's wait for the results. All right, so the image has been generated. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on preview here so we can see the image. You can see how the image is of high quality. So all you need to do is to go ahead, hit download, and download it. Also guys, you can generate audio here. So if you click on audio here you will see different AI audio models. So you can see Minimax Audio, Sono V5 here, Over here, you select the language you want to generate your audio or your music in. Select the voice ID you want. Okay guys, so now let me go ahead and show you guys how to get unlimited credit on this platform, so you can continue generating unlimited AI videos and images on this platform using Seedance 2.0 or any other AI model of your choice. So all you need to do is to go over to this website called tempmail.org. Click on it. Once you tap on it, it's going to take you right here. Now this platform is basically going to give you a temporary email address. All you need to do is to go ahead, make use of the temporary email to create another account. You can create as many accounts as you can and use it for your video generation. Thank you guys for watching so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another video. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.